Good morning, everyone. Happy December 3rd. Who would have thought here at Tiki Kev's shop we'd be delivering a tiki bar, a local tiki bar 15 minutes away in December? I don't work that. You don't build tiki bars in the dead of winter in southeastern PA. We can actually see our breath today. It's cold today. But anyway, we're going to be in Hatboro, PA shortly. It's about 20 after 10 right now. So we were waiting for it to warm up a little bit, but it's not getting much warmer today. So we'll see you out in Hatboro. Okay, guys, so here we are. I'm back. We are back in Hatboro. And hey, look who made a special appearance today. It's Krabby Larry up there. So we got the bar all set up. There was a little mix-up with the palms that were sent. Even though it's written on the box what I got, when we opened the box, the wrong stuff was sent. So we brought the bar out anyway, but this is what we had to go through. Little tough getting the bar through here, but if the bar was any bigger, we would have never got it through. So let me show you real quick. Try and keep all these videos short. But this is the one in the shop that had the two-part epoxy pour-on with all the pictures in it, and the crate lid from the military from 1967 on the front. So the palms should be here. Today's Tuesday. Palms should be here by Thursday. So we're going to put plastic all around the bar and wrap it up. I'm not going to do any electric until I get the roof on, the thatching anyway. So, oh look, we got tree branches hanging in the roof. We got to cut those back. All right, so this is where we're at in Hatboro, PA. We'll be finishing this up hopefully on Thursday. And it's a nice backyard here. So, all right, until then, I won't keep you any longer. Tiki Kev out.